On screen, exciting car visuals with energetic background music. Host voiceover. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you love cars and want to stay updated on the latest releases, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Let's jump into the latest upcoming car news for 2025. On screen, 2025 model cars montage. First up, we have the highly anticipated Tesla Model 3 refresh, M1. Tesla has taken things to the next level with an improved design, better aerodynamics, and an upgraded interior. The new Model 3 is expected to feature a longer range, enhanced battery technology, and even a revamped autopilot system. Tesla fans, this is one to watch. Next on our list is the Ford Mustang Mach-E GT 2025. Ford is pushing EV technology further with this performance-focused SUV. Expect increased horsepower, faster acceleration, and some bold new styling elements. Rumors suggest Ford might even introduce a more track-focused variant. Moving on, BMW is gearing up to launch the next-gen BMW 9/3. This electric SUV is expected to come with a more powerful battery, offering up to 400 miles of range. With BMW's signature luxury and a cutting-edge infotainment system, the 9/3 is shaping up to be a major player in the EV world. Visual, concept images of futuristic cars. Another exciting update comes from Toyota. The 2025 Toyota Camry Hybrid is said to feature a redesigned exterior with a more aggressive front grille and sportier appeal. Toyota is also improving its hybrid system for better fuel efficiency and smoother acceleration. For performance lovers, Porsche is bringing an updated Taycan with improved battery performance and faster charging times. Porsche aims to enhance its already impressive electric sports sedan with better aerodynamics and new tech features, keeping it ahead of the competition. Visual, close-up shots of car interiors and touchscreens. And for those who love luxury, Mercedes-Benz is updating its EQS sedan. The 2025 model will likely offer more autonomous driving features and a refreshed digital dashboard. Mercedes continues to push the boundaries of electric luxury, making it one of the most exciting releases to look forward to. Visual, car teaser images and camouflage test vehicles on the road. Last but not least, Hyundai is working on the Ioniq 7, a full-sized electric SUV that aims to rival Tesla's Model X. With spacious interiors, futuristic tech, and an impressive range, the Ioniq 7 could be a game-changer in the electric SUV market. So there you have it. Some of the most exciting upcoming cars for 2025. Which one are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon so you stay updated on all the latest car news. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. On screen, end screen with subscribe button and previous video suggestions. Here's your YouTube.